No Film School's coverage of NAB is brought to you by Color Grading Central, professional color grading with color finale. Shutterstock, where ideas take shape. Black Magic Design, amazing solutions for film, post-production, and television. Big Stock, videos and images for everyone.
We're here with Tiffen, and Carrie's going to show us the reasons for taking it 4K and bringing a little bit of softness back to your image.
Thank you very much, Micah. Oh, you're going to hold it? Okay, absolutely fine. So what we're doing here at the Tiffen stand in the filter department, on this side of the filter department, is we have a little demonstration area where we've got a small little lit test sort of bay, colour chart, practical light, and obviously our model here, Melissa. And what we're doing is we've taken two 7S's with identical lenses. We've used some Summicrons, 75 or 50mm Summicrons. We've just taken out from the cameras into an Atmos to daisy chain them out to two 4K UHD monitors over here, so that then customers can look at a with and without filter, so they get a sense of what the filters are doing. So this is a number 2 coming from here. Quickly drop that in there, a few, and bada bang, and in we go, and voila. That's a 2.
Oh yeah, I can see that's much stronger.
It's much stronger and it's jumped out. Yeah, you can see it on the light there. Obviously, if you're on the bigger screen there, you'll see how it's affecting the shadow areas in the hair, how the lit part of the hair is softer and more luscious, and that's just them. So it's just those characteristics, and it's looking at those different characteristics you want to deliver in your image. We've brought out 2 new tools this year. We've brought out a 138 variable ND. Here, this is to fit in a bar-mounted matte box with a 143 ARRI R2 standard size port at the rear. So that's ARRI, Bright Tangerine, Crozell, Vocus, TLS, a whole range of manufacturers that work to standard sizes. I designed or asked the company to manufacture for stills photographers, which is a blender or MBRA, so it's an all-over grad. Because the problem with round grads is it's in the middle, your composition is compromised by where it sits. But with a blender, it gently rolls off. So we manufacture these in a 2-stop and a 4-stop, and they're in a rotating mount. And the beauty of these is this is 77, for example. You can screw this into your L series, and you can pan and move with a blender because the light falls away organically. Or else, if you do have a 2-tray matte box and you want to use one of these, you can screw in and get it onto your lens, and you know it's a lightweight option. Or if you're taking stills on your 5D or your G4 or your A7. So we took the Polar tray and we re-ground down our standard circular or Polar that we would make the round versions out of. Here we go, I have to get this round the right way. And now when we drop that in here, I now have a VND to go on a clip-on.
Right in the tray.
Right in the tray, nice and simple, working with those internal NDs in your camera and or not, but it's quick because it's a clip-on. So now that's 1 tray, 2 filters. So what I've also opened up the ability to do is a byproduct of cross-polarizers is when you get it wrong in the mounting, they have a funny effect. And that funny effect is to go from warm to cold. So really it's just a little effects filter, colour. You could use it if you were going from indoors to outdoors and your temperature changed.
What is this unit called, and what's the price point on it?
This is called the Rota Pola VND. The price point is to still be confirmed. So I can't say exactly what it's going to be, but I think we're going to be sub 1,000 US. So this should be around mid to end May, I believe. The new diffusers that we have on here, the black pearlescence, the black glimmer, and the black soft effects, they're shipping at the moment. We've got them on some very high-profile feature films and some episodicals. This one is already out. And I don't do prices, I only do technical, but it is cheaper than the Rota Pola tray.
When is this available, and what's the price on this?
Oh, this has been available for a year. Again, I'm not great on my pricing. I think they are. I can call out to someone and they can answer me.
It's been out for a while.
Yeah, it's been out for a while. It's around. It's I don't know. I think it's sub $100.
Okay. Well, Carrie, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Micah. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.